Welcome to the July 2024 issue of MSW magazine. This preview is brought to you by Smith & Loveless, helping municipalities save operating costs with innovative pump stations. Learn more at smithandloveless.com. On the cover, check out how Winter Haven, Florida tackled rapid population growth with dual sewer and water projects. Learn how they used horizontal directional drilling and parallel installations to navigate wetlands, roadways, and utilities efficiently and safely. See how a city in Kansas saved 56% on sewer maintenance costs by switching to Smith & Loveless above-ground pump stations. Learn how these innovations enhance safety, reduce downtime, and simplify operations for municipal workers. Check out Portland's $11 million sewer rehab project, 4,000 feet of century-old brick tunnel, slip lining with fiberglass reinforced pipe, tight curves, and a mining locomotive. All done under a constant flood watch and pandemic challenges. Here's how they pulled it off. Check out how municipalities are fortifying their water systems against modern threats. From innovative infrastructure projects like Winter Haven's reclaimed water transmission main to the urgent need for cybersecurity, this issue covers critical advancements in safeguarding our water resources. Check out how Metro Water Recovery is revolutionizing public education on wastewater treatment with their interactive website and virtual classroom tours. From schools to civic groups, discover how they're engaging diverse audiences and setting new standards in community outreach. Here's a sneak peek into handling OSHA inspections with confidence. Learn why preparation is key, from understanding inspection priorities to navigating the process smoothly. Choosing the right valve is crucial in municipal operations, where each application demands precision. From withstanding wastewater's relentless debris to ensuring potable water safety and tackling fire protection, discover how these valves meet unique challenges head-on for reliable, efficient performance. From powerful jetters like the HotJet USA Turbo Diesel to innovative root-cutting solutions such as the Shamrock Nozzles Contractor Duty Root Saw, see how municipalities are tackling tough blockages with precision and efficiency. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.